Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a requested video. I'm going to be doing an edges tutorial. A lot of people have been asking me that to do that video for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my advice and my tips on how to do your edges and then, you know, a sleek little cute bun. I know my hair looks like a mess right now. We're gonna get right to it. Okay, so let me take this out because this is like day 3 hair. It's already doo-doo. I'm looking like Medusa. Like, the curls are just ugly right now, so clearly we don't want these curls to just be going out like this because it's a no for me. So first we're gonna go into with our Eco Style Professional Styling Gel for all hair types. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use the hard side to flatten my hair down so I could get like a really sleek like look. So spray your roots. You can see my big old head. So now I'm gonna go in with the hard part of my brush. I'll be brushing that down. So now you're gonna go in with your Eco Styler gel and you're gonna add it to any parts where you see flyaways. I mainly get them in the back. Hold on, give me a second. Tie this girl up. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna wrap it around 3 times and then I'm gonna bring it up. Okay. Now we just leave it like that. I'm just kidding. No. Now I'm gonna stretch my hair out. Okay, so now that is my bun. Now I'm going to do my edges. Okay, so as you see, my edges are not combed whatsoever. So I bring down my edges. Okay, I'm done. Just kidding. No, it looks ugly. Ew. Y'all better not screenshot this. Y'all see that? Ew. Ugh. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna take a toothbrush. No, do not use your toothbrush that you be using to clean your teeth. Get a nice, you know, a nice brand new toothbrush so that you know that you're gonna use this just for your edges, nothing else, not your mouth. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my toothbrush and I'm going to separate these right here, and I'm gonna take this right here, place my gel, and I take my finger and I go in the same direction that my toothbrush is, and I go in a C shape. And I comb it back into my hair. A little more gel. Be taking the same thing, same steps. Take that in there. Brushing back into your hair. I'm gonna go in the same direction as the other swoops. Y'all see how it looks like little swoops? You really just go in the C shape and you take your finger and you kind of like guide your hair with it, with the toothbrush. Grab a little more gel. Okay guys, hold on, I need to zoom out because y'all still, I don't know if y'all can see them. Okay y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this really helped you guys. It's really easy once you get the practice. Just make sure you have a toothbrush and some Ego Solid Gel and your life will be so much easier to do your edges. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!